So today we're working on, what is this again?
2023 Chrysler Pacifica touring model.
All right, and what was the problem that was having earlier?
Car would not start.
Yeah, the car won't start, but all electrics come on, right?
Mm-hmm.
And it was going a little bit crazy too.
Mm-hmm.
It was just acting weird. So the culprit's a battery, right? But let's go through the steps. What is this called? What would you say this is called?
Air intake.
Air intake? Yeah, that's right. So there's two clips right here. And let's just remove this so it's out of the way. And here's the original battery from the car. And it only uses 650 cca crank current. And here's a negative. There's a positive. Here's this little tab right here that you can open up. I have right here a battery tester. And earlier when we tested this battery, it was only 11.6 volts. But right now, we jumped it, and we drove around like maybe an hour or two, right? And it's back up to 12.75 volts. Let's go ahead and do a quick test. So battery tester, it's a car, it's a regular flood CCA, and it's 650. Let's do a quick test. And after driving it around, all right, it says that the battery is good at 100%. So, I guess because of heavy electronics on this car, drains down the battery quite a bit. But if you can get it, jump start it, drive it around, you can get the voltage back up, then it should be working. However, that all being said, this battery is almost like 2 years old. So we're just going to go ahead and replace it. In order to replace it, there are two 10 millimeter bolts.
Yes, 10 millimeter bolts. And then one underneath the red cover there.
Yeah, underneath the red cover, so you can pop this open. So 10 right here, 10 right there. It's already loosened. So the way how you take out the battery is, when you take it out, first is remove the negative. Ooh, that's hot. Put it on the side. Then remove the positive. And before we remove the positive, so we need to remove these 3 clips of wiring right here. You could press it down, looks like that's what it's meant for, but it's easier to use a flathead screwdriver. Push this down, and it pops right out. Take a picture if you don't know where it should go. We got one loose. Let's get the second one loose. Push it down, pull it out. Third one, push it down, pull it out. All 3 are pushed out. Let's just pick this up. Pull these out. 1, 2, 3. There's this clip on top right here to the filter, right? We can push this and pop this out. So this version of the van has what is this called? The
Auto start. Stop.
Auto start. So there's an extra battery right here, and we found out that because of this version of the car, this positive is connected to this box right here. So in order to make our lives a little bit easier, we should remove this positive terminal. But guess what? It also has a negative on here, which you're supposed to remove the negative, right? So let's go ahead and remove the negative. Do that real quick.
Yeah.
Put that right here. Don't lose that. Put it to the side. And the positive. Do that. Expensive one. Wiggle that off. Oh, there's an angle. Ah, there we go. Let's see. Oh yeah. So now it's a lot more free to move up.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, we definitely needed to undo that one. Now there's a lot more room. Now let's remove that nut down there. Also 10. So the good thing is that they're all 10 millimeters. So I went ahead and just got the whole screw loose right here. Take that out. Now this will come out, and this is what's holding the battery down. Now the older version actually has a strap, it looks like, but this one clamps it down, pretty classic. So after this is removed, we found out that this strap right here needs to be removed because the battery keeps on hitting the side right here, so we can't just take it out. So we're going to remove this one, which is also conveniently a 10mm socket. This is an extremely long screw. I don't know why they made it so long. What is up with that? That's out. Well, the good thing is that both of them are the same size. Okay, there's a strap. Oh yeah, I don't know if did we record this, that there's two Velcro right here. You open that up, and here is a strap. Okay. Ooh, that's so hot. Okay, so there you go. That's a teeny tiny battery right there. Alright, I'll let you try it. But at least you can swing it towards this way. Alright, that's a tight fit. So this new battery, Duracell, it has 760 CCA, so that's way better. Just here, I'll position it and hopefully you can swing it in. Maybe at an angle. So right here, the battery's back in, and make sure that it sits. I don't know if you can see that. There you go. It sits within its bracket so it doesn't tilt out sideways. So this is flush. Negative is on this side, positive is on that side. So that's all good. Let's fold down these two arms. Let's move this to the side. And now we can put the little battery in. Okay, so you want this to position like that, so it faults correctly, it's covering up the battery. Now we can put the clamp down, the strap and the clamp down. Okay, you got that bolt in, and that looks snug. There you go. Okay, so luckily we took photos. It's white, purple, black for this model. So let's put the, oh yeah, I think it's keyed, because so this white one goes in pretty easy. If I have it mixed up with the purple, guess what? It doesn't fit in, but it fits in here easy. So it's keyed. So it's almost like idiot proof.
Yeah.
So it's gray, white one first, then purple. That's great. Good job, Chrysler. And black. Okay, so we have to put the positive down first. We push this down. That's positioned, and we have to put this one onto. Always do the positive first when you are putting it back in. Oh, this one went
at an angle, or
yeah, it went at an angle. You're right. Go. Okay, at an angle. It's in there. All right, so I have the two positive in. So let's go ahead and tighten it up. All right, snug over here. And all right, that's snug. Let's close that up. And let's close this up. And we can put this back in. It just clips right in. Okay, before we tie up the negative, we're going to put this back in, and this is the top. That's the bottom. So it slides right in. That looks nice. And then now we can put this bolt back in. Beautiful. Okay, so that's locked in. This battery isn't going anywhere. Now let's tighten up the negative. Alright, that's good. And now we got another negative right here, right? And then this is pointing this direction. Alrighty. That was good. Didn't take that much. Everything tight. Nothing loose. Now let's put in this last part at an angle. Goes down. And then that goes there. This goes here. 1, 2. That's it. Alright, let's start it up. So after we changed the battery, the service shifter came up on the screen right there, and we did a quick Google search, and the solution is, and we still don't know if it'll work or not, but the solution is you have to
put power to run.
Yep, push the button all the way over here, right?
Right there.
Yep, right there, until it shows up to run, right? So you push it 2 times without stepping on the brakes. But anyway, you need to go to run without stepping on the brakes. And then you step down on the gas pedal, fully down, and you hold it down for 10 seconds. Now after you hold it down for 10 seconds, you let go of the gas.
Correct.
Then you could push the button so it could...
And it went off.
Went off. So, after that's done, wait for 2 minutes. So we're waiting for 2 minutes and it should work. So we'll come back in 2 minutes. Alright, the 2-minute mark should be here. Let's see if it works. Yes!
Oh my goodness, yeah.
Oh my, that's awesome.